Press Program Manager vertical soft key. Select program which need to copy. Press Start Edit soft key or Input hard key. Press right arrow soft key for screen change up to select range option. Keep cursor on line from where to copy the program. Press Select Range soft key. Press Continue down arrow MDI key to select multiple lines. Press Copy soft key. Press right arrow soft for screen change up to Add Edit Program function. Press Add Edit Program software key. Select the program where you want to paste and press Select. After program open, press right arrow soft key for screen change up to Paste option. Press Paste soft key to paste the copied program. Press Close soft key to remove the one open program, and End All Edit soft key to end all open program.